What's up, everybody? It's your girl Rocket. I'm in the, I can't even talk. I'm in the Roan Highlands, and the highest shelter on trail is up there, like over 6,000 feet in elevation. We're just walking across another bald. Another day, another bald. But really, it's pretty sick out here. And this morning was so cold. We camped like a mile and a half back from the summit. And then, oh my God, that's so beautiful. Literally, what am I talking about? Just look at the view. But then we went up to the top and had breakfast with our friend, and it was so cold. So we had to run away. Yeah, life is good. Life is good. Welcome. What do you think?
They look the same.
That's what I said.
Give it a 6.
I agree. It's a nice 6 though. Rocket was here! What's up, it's your girl Rocket. I was vibing to Go Your Own Way by Fleetwood Mac as I make my way up this crazy bald. Just skipping. The wind is so strong. It's literally knocking me over. But it's just so beautiful out here. The wind is blowing my headphones out of my ears, and I'm feeling just absolutely euphoric. Like, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. And it feels so good. And I just know there's so many good things out there for me next. And I get to do this every single day. Like every day I feel like this. Oh man, all right, rock it out. You can go your own way, go your own way. You can go your own way, another lonely day. Some. I hope you enjoyed that rendition of copyright-free Fleetwood Mac. And we now return to your regularly scheduled program. What? I mean, as much as we joke about views being 6s, these views were immaculate. But nothing was about to top the dinner and breakfast we were gonna have at Mountain Harbor B&B. And since I live in fear of a copyright violation, we're gonna play Guess That Song again. Continuing with the theme of Fleetwood Mac, I'll let you guess in 3, 2, 1, and here's the reveal. And if you don't love me now, you will never love me again. I can still hear you saying you would never break the chain. You don't love me now. You will never love me again. I can still hear you saying we would never break the chain. Whose man is this? I don't think you got down there and amongst it enough. Oh. Show him the picture.
Down in the hole.
Oh man. Rocket here, so I made it to 400 and it's just really incredible. And then these guys came and they're here. I'm just kidding. We're at 400, guys. It takes a village. Oh, and this moth is trying to be in my face. Will you shine your light on it again? Whoa. All right, let's go find a stealth spot. Good morning. We've been walking for approximately 5 minutes, and it is time to fish.
Shortly after, nature reminded me of that famous song, "Don't Go Chasing Waterfalls." Rocket from the future here to let you know that nothing was injured but my ego in this fall.
You okay?
That's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, we were up there, and now we're here. Ooh-wee. Sweet. Hey, Groundhog, you ready to go hiking?
As soon as I catch this fish. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a great picture.
Hiking the AT is not for the faint of heart. We're just like wrapping around this like giant hunk of mountain. The blaze is just on the rock. We're right on the river. Wow. This is cool. Wow. That is a snake in the water. Oh my god.
He was right here.
Oh my god. I do not like that. Oh wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow! Groundhog! Oh my god! Bye, Trout. He's like, get me out of here.
There was a couple of them.
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna eat lunch out here.
Yeah. Okay, Groundhog went to get water and instead he found a snake.
Look how pretty the belly is.
Here, want me to get a picture? Jump in. I'd never get back out.
No, not right there.
Tell me when you're ready. Okay, hold the line. Lift this up. Okay, I need some pointers. Another day, another dam. Yee! Another day, another dam. Cool. 1.3 to the road. Ooh, how beautiful is that? Whoa, these are tiny stairs. My big clompers don't fit. It's pretty. Blazes on the road. Whoa, whoa. You didn't touch that one. Me. They even tell you where to cross. Boop. No gallons of water sitting around. I saw a comment that said there were some a couple days ago. It's all right. Yeah. And we're back. These stairs are bigger. There is water. They're all empty. Oh, that was sad.
They're all gone.
Yeah. Meh. Sad. The trail isn't always glamorous. I gave myself a bloody nose and now I'm wiping it off with a literal leaf. I don't even have any water. We've been out of water for like 3 miles. And I accidentally blew blood all over my hat. So that's fun. Cheers. I saw a girl with an avocado, Bumblebee, and ever since then I've been thinking nonstop about packing out an avocado. So I did, and that's as far as I thought. So I'm gonna eat it with some hot buffalo tuna and maybe some Ritz and maybe some potato chips. Here we go. Concoction. Oh my gosh. I'm packing out an avocado every time I come home. This is gourmet stuff, people. Nice close up. Happy Earth Day. I left my shoe under the rainfly, and the rainfly dripped into it. So now I have one soaking wet shoe and one not soaking wet shoe. And I have not even started hiking today. I love Mother Earth.
He's cool. I wish his antennas were up for you. That'd been a sweet picture.
It could be slow or...
You think we hiked over there? Oh wait, is this the lake?
Yes, that's
Oh my
the
God,
bridge.
we
We went
hiked
right
over
up there.
Holy
Yeah.
crap. Whoa.
That's where you're like, oh, it's not that. You're just going to be in a valley. Yeah, I thought we were going to be in a valley in the map.
All right, go ahead, groundhog.
Okay.
Not the pocket knife.
It worked.
Okay, Rocket's new favorite trail meal. Avocado and hot buffalo tuna with a little garnish of smashed Lay's potato chips. Thanks for coming to my cooking show. Groundhog is actually cooking. 2 types of people out here.